Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the current situation with Amazon shipping, what's improved, what hasn't, and what you can do in the meantime so that you can still sell in Amazon in April of 2020. All right, so what we're going to be doing today is looking at the fact that I can now send inventory into Amazon for my best-selling product, which is awesome. So let's get right into it. We're going to be talking about Amazon drop shipping and how you could be sending directly from a manufacturer while staying within TOS to customers directly. All right guys, so we're here on my computer, and the first thing I wanted to start with was just showing you this example of the fact that things are getting better, right? Human nature is to kind of think that things are gonna stay bad forever when they are bad, but no, right? As far as the economy goes, it's just numbers and digits. You work out the accounting, and that takes, well, in extreme cases, a few years max, but after that, we get inventive, things come back to normal. And this is already the first very, very small step of getting back to normal. I can send in inventory. So we go continue to shipping plan. And as you can see here, oh, we're on the wrong one. That's my bad. This is what happens before. This is what I was actually gonna show you. But when we go to the right product, that was hilarious if I was talking about things getting better, and in fact, it wasn't any better. Now we go to continue to shipping plan, and you can see here, yes, that message does not pop up. That was one of my other products, but this product I can send into Amazon, no problem, which is great because now I won't have to worry about my best-selling product being out of stock. I could order more now. There's already more coming in, so we're getting better there. That will make those of you who are already selling maybe go check some products of yours. You might actually be able to send inventory in. And now let's get into the next part of this because I'm currently out of stock. We go to my listing, which was just a few weeks ago, or a few days ago even, doing 5 figures per month in sales, is now completely out of stock because of the slowness of shipping. It would have came in time, but it just didn't. Should be any day now. But what my manufacturer brought up to me is a really interesting point, and I wanted to show this to you. So go ahead and head over to Alibaba here. I'll go to messages. We can actually see here, so this is one of my conversations I was just having. You can see this was April 14th, today's the 16th. Do you need us to ship your orders one by one from China to your customer? So that's drop shipping, right? That's actually the right way to do drop shipping, from a supplier to a customer. You can't go to Walmart, I just made a video about this right here. Go watch that if you don't know how to do it correctly, but this is the right way to do it correctly, okay? And you can't read the whiteboard behind me, it's my work notes for the day. The first thing it says is ask existing suppliers to ship to customers. The next thing it says that we'll be touching is ask new suppliers to ship to customers if you still want to continue scaling. But this is an Alibaba supplier, okay? This is not DHgate, this is not AliExpress, this is not 30-day shipping. This is 7 to 15-day shipping. That means that today's the 16th. On the 23rd of April, my customer can be receiving their product, which I want to bring up that point. That sounds long, right? Will people get 2-day shipping? No, that's the thing. Right now, they don't. Right now, look at this, listen, 1,000 reviews, 1,100 reviews, well-made list. I pulled this up because you can see I just actually ordered this. These are what's lighting this video right now. 1,000 reviews, look at the delivery, May 8th. That's like over 20 days away. So my drop shipping time is actually gonna be faster than one of these super established listings that's selling really well. Shipping fees, 17.5 per piece. Now that sounds high, but don't worry because we're actually replacing a $17 Amazon FBA fee. So again, I don't like to just talk to you guys. I wanna show you real things that's going on. So check this out. We come over to my listing, come down to this calculator here, about $14. Sale price is $50, sell it, $17 profit, great. Now check this out, $9 product cost, but then $17 and we'll go 50 cents that they just quoted me. I'm still making only $1.50 less because my fees, I'm not paying the FBA fees. So those fulfillment fees have gone down. So I'm still making $16 per unit if I do this. So you say, well, how do you do that now? Well, you have a couple of options here. What you wouldn't want to do is, in my situation, I already have inventory coming in for this. So I'm not going to just convert this listing back to FBM and do that in the meantime, because like I said, I already have active inventory on the way. It's just taking longer than I would like it to. So what I would do is then I would duplicate this listing. We already know this listing works, this title works, these bullet points work. It's optimized. I know my exact bids from my PPC for this. So I can go ahead and duplicate this exact listing as another listing in my account, but fulfill it by merchant and just put that listing up and essentially copy my existing PPC campaigns and just run this as its own listing. Now you'd say you don't have reviews. Yes, but this product actually sold very well without reviews too. If you wanna, touch back on the launch of this product, go back a few months on my channel here and see how I was launching this product. But that's something that you can do. That's something that I can do right now. And I just showed you how to be profitable, right? That's 30%, a little less than 30% profit margin to be doing that. And then that might become a model that you want to follow. Now that's an existing product from an Alibaba manufacturer, right? What I wouldn't say, because I'm personally not doing this and it sounds ridiculous, what most people would say is like, go to AliExpress, find a product, it's gonna be 30-day shipping, ship straight to a customer. I don't like that model. I've done that model in the past. I've actually scaled it to a few $100s a day on a Shopify website. And it was just such a headache with the customer support and working with those drop shippers that you really don't have a good connection with, and there's tons of just order issues. So I don't like doing that. But working with Alibaba suppliers that work with FBA sellers all the time, this is why I wanted to make this video. Go ask your current supplier if they can ship individually to your Amazon customers. Because then here's the pro of doing this. You can make a listing today and be receiving sales from your advertising tomorrow, right? There's no waiting time for shipping. The listing goes live and then you're making sales immediately. And it may only work this well right now. Don't sleep on this. The reason that this is going to work right now is, as we just saw, everything has slow shipping time. So it's just the nature of the beast. And Amazon isn't losing sales. They're actually making more sales recently because everyone's stuck at home, everyone's shopping from home. So if even Prime orders are taking 3 weeks to come in, then you can drop ship effectively during this time and scale up a lot of products right now. Now, what if we wanted to really take some action here and continue not only just maintaining our business, but scaling our business? So you can do product research as usual. And in times like these, there are products that you can find that no other time you would have this opportunity. So you find a product that normally you just go, let's pursue this as an FBA product, looks great. Well, let's see if we can fulfill it as merchant and see if the manufacturer can just ship straight to customers. That requires no upfront cost. I could start selling tomorrow. I can make as many listings as I want because I'm not making the purchase until someone buys it. So I've already confirmed that I've made that money when I make the order. You could start this with $50 is what I'm saying. So go ahead and try this. For someone like me, and probably someone like you watching this video, these very things that may scare a lot of people drive us to get out of bed in the morning. And it's exciting, it's an exhilarating process. And not to mention, there's so many things I could talk about, but we're gonna leave it at that for today. So go ask your existing suppliers if they're willing to drop ship to customers. Go find new suppliers right on Alibaba. You can try AliExpress. For me, it's not worth it. You could try DHgate. Sometimes those work, the wholesale sites, but really just contact direct manufacturers and ask them if they'd be willing to send individual products to their customers, okay? Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna do it for today's video. I'm gonna get going. I have a lot of stuff to work on, but I did want to touch base with you guys. So you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back on the channel here again tomorrow. Later.